loves, welcome back to my channel. I don't usually start my vlogs at night. Oh my god, it's 6 minutes to 10. I've been procrastinating getting back on track, but this time I have a really good reason. The past couple of days haven't been easy. I lost my dad on Friday and it's been really hard. Today is Wednesday and it's been a couple of days. It's almost been a week and it's really hard to believe, you guys. So I've been trying so hard to distract myself. One of the things I'm going to distract myself with is I got fake leaves from Amazon. I'll leave the link to this in the description box down below. I don't know if you guys watched the video for the plan I had for this part here next to my bed to do the separation, but if you didn't anyway, I thought I would put some pieces of wood or whatever, and I didn't know where to get any, plus it's permanent. Then I saw something, I don't know, I was looking on the internet and I saw fake plants and I thought that would be such a great idea. So I'm going to put up these fake plants up here to separate this space from that space. As you know, my whole space is an open place. I'm going to be using these transparent command hooks to put on the ceiling because I don't want them to show, like, you know how the white ones show. These ones are transparent, so they won't really show, and hopefully they're strong enough. These strands are really light. Oh my god, it looks so nice when I see my plants. Yo, I never thought I would like plants in my life. My mom told me when I was a kid, I used to wonder why she always liked plants, flowers. She told me, you're still young, wait until you grow up. And best believe I have my own place right now and I love plants. I got these flowers, they make the place look vibrant and they also smell good. Yo, I have like a natural air fresh, and I think I'm going to make it a habit to always show myself love through plants and everything. The way these command strips work is, I don't know if you've used this before, but I use them for the hooks in my bathroom. So basically you put the sticky side here. This is what the hooks look like. I don't know if you can see it well, but it's very tiny and very transparent. You can barely see it on the wall. Oh man, there are way too many tiny pieces. Really cool so far. I can't wait to put all the rest down. I'm so excited for this buy because when I bought it, a lot of people were saying the smell kind of goes away once you aerate them, but this is so cool. Oh my god. Great. So this is how it's looking so far. I think I'm going to add an extra line in between to just make it, I don't know, to just cover it up because now it's so spaced. I think it looks pretty good for now. There's one more detail missing. Maybe I should just add some more leaves. I feel like I've put a lot, but I need to add some more. We'll see about that. The last part is coming in tomorrow, which is the lights, so that when I take it off it looks like some kind of lit forest. I wanted to go to the sauna today because my dad loved the sauna every day. Every morning it's something he used to do. Like, he used to go to work out at least 5 days a week. He goes for his workout, goes to the steam, and then the sauna. I found out that we have a sauna upstairs, so I wanted to go to the sauna, but my sister called me this morning. I don't know, it feels comforting to have someone to talk to, so talking to my siblings is great. I'm getting a sore throat actually. First, let me take my medication. I wasn't ready for this sore throat, but when my niece came this weekend, and oh my god, doesn't God work in mysterious ways? My niece and my brother-in-law have been planning to come here for a while, and it so happened that last Friday, when the day my dad passed, is when they showed up. I don't know what I would have done if they hadn't come, because you know, it was a really hard time. And I'm so sorry for making this video about my dad and everything, but it's really sad and I don't know what to do. I'm trying to create content, but I don't know what to talk about. All I just want to say is that there are so many things that my dad used to do. Like every morning, my mom used to make for him crushed garlic with honey on it, and he would take it every other day, which was great for his health. There is a part of me that's actually, you know, that it's like, man, my dad did everything to take care of his health. He worked out, he ate healthy, he did all his holistic things, but he still fell sick. And I know because sometimes I always ask myself, what kind of life do you want to live? Do you want to live a quality life or a bad life until you die? But then I think about, oh my God, even if you take care of yourself, we're all still going to, you know. But I guess I'm allowed to feel my feels, and like, I don't know, man. I haven't worked out in so many days. I have this thing of, I'm trying to smile so that I don't cry, because I just had, you know, I don't know what to. You see, I wasn't lying. I was ready to go to the sauna. I had worn my swimsuit and everything. Anyway, I have here some garlic and a shot of apple cider vinegar, and in this cup I have lemon water, hot water. So that's what I'm going to drink for my dry throat. I hope by the end of the day it's gone, because man, all this water is so hot. I need a chaser. Water. I don't have. What? Oh my God, yo, you don't know what just happened. You do. I have to pick it up one by one, because I'm not cutting another garlic down. I lost half of it. Oh my God, this is all I have left. It's not that much, but it's enough. Yeah, I'm still wearing this hoodie from yesterday. I was cold this morning. Medication number 1. Cheers. Apple cider vinegar. I hate the taste of apple cider vinegar. Lemon water too. I told myself I want to embody everything my dad taught me, and that is health, wellness. I joined the health and wellness industry because of my dad. I used to be overweight, you guys know it. I've told stories about it here on my channel. That's why I ended up being a transformation coach in the beginning. All these things of waking up at 5 a.m. and whatever, it's stuff that I learned from my dad, and I want to embody it, because these are all the good things that, I don't know, waking up. My dad was a hard worker. For those of you that know my dad, some of you might know him. When they say like people that have made it in life, like rich people, wealthy people, have made it because they work hard, they really do. My dad would wake up early in the morning at 5 a.m. do his morning. And I don't know, my sister actually recently told me she's reading the 5 a.m. club, but my dad would wake up at 5 a.m. every day, have his prayers, have his breakfast, go work out, do his sauna, whatever, and by the time it reaches 7:30, he's in the office working, like awake and ready to attack that day. Me, on the other hand, I struggle to wake up early in the morning. I don't even pick up my phone. I know he used to pick up his phone, but he used to read his emails right after he prays and has like a quiet moment. It's not like the first thing he used to do. Anyway, I don't know, man. I don't even know if I'm telling the truth. Maybe I'm jumbling up stories. It's been a really tough time, you guys. 2 days ago, I felt it all in my body. On Tuesday, my whole body was aching from pain of the loss of my dad. It was, I don't even know if I'm speaking the right English. My whole body didn't have energy. You know what's funny? Sorry, I know I'm rambling too much. I don't know. The day before my dad died, every hour, from 1, I saw 111, 222, 333, 444, 555. I was like, oh my god, what's going to happen? I'm so excited, I'm so aligned. You know how these things be, you know, if you believe in manifestation and all that stuff. So I guess anyway, it was a good thing because my dad fought a good fight. Oh my god, I've made this video about my dad. I don't know, man. My dad is and was my role model. He was like my life's first best friend. You know, I'm going to miss someone that I can piss off the way I used to piss off my dad. And I know it's something stupid to say, but I'm never going to get a chance to piss off anyone the way I used to piss my dad off. And that is great, yo. It's great. Oh my god, Sheila. Do you know, I know how people, like kids, are the kind of kids who go like, I want to make my dad proud. Yeah, I want to make my dad proud 100%. But I want, like, you can never, I don't know. You know, in life, when you love someone, you take them for the good, the bad, and the ugly. And he took me for the good, the bad, and the ugly. And I took him for the good, the bad, and the ugly. And part of the ugly includes me pissing him off. And I have no one to piss off. And that makes me sad. I've decided to go and pamper myself a little bit. I'm going to get a haircut. Not exactly pamper myself, more like groom myself. I haven't gotten a haircut in a long time. I look so haggard. So before work, I'm going to go get a haircut. And then go to work. I don't know, I'm still thinking whether I should keep these braids. And if I'm to keep them, let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to re-braid the front around and the rest no. I'm so sorry for the noise. Let me get out of here. Okay, I'm off to work now. I like going to work because it helps me take my mind off of things. A lot of my friends told me that I'm deflecting and not dealing with the things that are going on by keeping myself busy with work, which is true, but ideally it's better for me to be at work than stay home and cry, because I don't know, it's not fun. So at least I look so much better. I feel so much more alive. Okay, the light. The messed up thing is that instead of working on my business while keeping myself busy, I'm working at work, like for my friend's business, because I don't want to think like if I have to work for myself, I have to be at home by myself. But if I'm working for another person, I'm with other people, and I don't know, there are people around me. What did I want to say? I came on here for a reason. I got my business mindset from my dad, and I want to make him proud in that way. I also want to make him proud in regards that I become healthier and the best version of myself, because that's what he would have wanted. So as much as I'm going through this terrible time, I'm just letting myself feel my feels. It's almost been a week. Tomorrow will be a week since my dad was pronounced. You know, I hate that word. And then I also hate the fact that people keep asking me, how are you holding up? Of course I'm not well. I don't even know what to say about that, because that question, I'm like, I'm okay, because naturally if someone asks you how are you, you say I'm fine, but I'm not fine. However, I'm dealing in my own way. I just received my lights and I'm expecting more surprises when I get to my door. Hopefully no one took it, man. Like, you know. Oh my god, nobody did. Sweet. Oh man, these are so cute. You won't believe it's 1 a.m. in the morning. And this is when I'm getting home. So cute. These are from my mom. These are from my workmates. They're also really cute. And then these are from my besties, Pro and Easy. Thank you guys all so much. By the way, my house smells so nice. It's all the flowers and everything. I never thought flowers would do that, but yo, flowers are magic, man. I can't believe this is how tiny this is. I got these Christmas lights. I don't know what you can call them. It's just like lights that you can add to the flowers that I put up yesterday. Because it's 1, I feel like it's super late, so I'm going to do this tomorrow. But I'm so excited. They look tiny though compared to the plants. This is what they look like. Oh my god. Damn. Okay, those tiny things are the lights. I see. I was going to set it up because, you know what, I'm one of those people that say I'm going to do it tomorrow and then I don't. But it needs batteries anyway, and I don't have the batteries, so tomorrow. So as always, I'm back home late. Not as always, it's Friday night. My workmate, it was his birthday. It's his birthday today, 18th September. So I stayed up late. It's 2:22 in the morning, but I gotta show you guys something. So yesterday I came back, I got a new package and I unboxed it, kind of put it up without showing you guys. It was like background stuff, but I did not have batteries. Now I have batteries. Let me show you. I'm so excited. Bruh, how cute is that? It doesn't look that cute, but let me show you when I turn the lights off. Yeah. Tell me something. It's a vibe, huh? It's a freaking vibe. The only thing is that I didn't get enough for this part, but most of the part got some, so I'm going to get more lights, or I'm going to find a way to make these lights fit this whole thing. But basically, looks like that. I cannot start to explain to you the amount of chocolate I've been eating lately. I just looked at the side of my bed. This week I ate a whole box of Ferrero. It's been a whole week. It's been a week since my dad passed. It's Saturday, well, a week and a couple of hours. And I just realized how not just realized, I know I've been eating very terribly. I have a friend coming over, so I have to clean. I looked under my bed. Let me show you. Look at all that. I happen to be one of those stress eaters. Oh, by the way, my second, what is it called, waist bead fell off because my waist is now big. Like, it's no longer this size. It's super tight. I was chilling yesterday and I had something, it fell off. So I need to get back to a healthy lifestyle, because you know what, this does not fly. No. Good morning, beautiful. So it's Monday morning, but before I start off my week to be more productive and get back on track, this time for real, I'm taking some salt water. You guys have seen the salt water flush video on my channel. Basically what this drink does is flush you out. You go to the toilet and, you know, do number 2 like you're doing number 1. It is very intense. I'll leave a link to that video above. But I'm going to drink this and just make sure that I clean up my system before I start all over again. I have a lot of things to do. I'm not going to work out this morning, but probably later. It's 9:11 right now, so I'm going to go ahead and drink this, upload a YouTube video, and get started with my day, my week, and just get my life back together. Oof. Yo, this drink, it's so gross, but it's really helpful. I have a chill all over my body. Thank you guys for watching. I can't keep a straight face while doing this. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Yo, I need to fix this and start wearing it back again. Bye.